So it has seat belts on it, right? Compared to other chairs, right? And so you hop in, and you want to put this seat belt on, right? All you gotta do is put the seat belt on. And then once you're in, right? Then you can push around if you want to turn. All right, if you're not used to, if you haven't been in a wheelchair before, you're right, you put one backwards and one forwards to turn. And this one you can turn really fast, and you can't even flip over because it's got these extra wheels. So there's no flipping over, right? And then you can go as fast as you can, and just hold up. And you can even practice like dribbling, right? Tom, I'll give you a back.
And how do you break again?
There are no, you have to brake with your hands, right? So right, when you're going fast, you just hold on to it, right, with both hands, and then you can brake. Right? Does anybody have any questions? Yeah, what's your question? What's that?
The storm game? Basketball.
Liam really likes to do puzzles and watch the women's storm basketball.
Yeah, they're super fun to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Cool.